Hello everyone, today we will do the project for the quick start prompt builder. So let's go ahead. Trailhead brothers here. Okay, I've already created my Einstein playground. You should also create it. I've already made a video on this. Okay, let's go forward. Okay, let's start. Go to the setup and we have to enable the Einstein copy setup. We have to on the top right. Okay, it is refreshing. On the top right, click setup. Let's search for Einstein setup. Okay, make sure it's on. Okay, it is on. Turn the Einstein on. Refresh your browser. Okay, in the quick file we have to search the prompt builder. Okay, let's enable the prompt builder. Here it is. Okay, now what do we have to do? Click new prompt template. Top right, new prompt template. Prompt template type. Field generation. It's field generation. This one. Okay, what should be the name? Quick summary. Let's give it a quick summary name. And then what is the object? Description. Object is case. Okay, description. Object is case. Okay, which is a quick summary, and click next. Okay, quick summary, and then we are gonna click next. In here what are we doing is we are selecting a field on a custom object or on any object, and we want to, based on the information provided in the record, we want to populate it with AI to tell us about the record, like what it tells us. We don't have to check each and everything, so we are summarizing the information on the record. So that's the field that we have created on case, and we are going to implement AI on this. So this is how we are doing it. Okay, now for the prompt we have to copy this. We have to write a prompt here. Okay, prompt is entered. Now let's see, click save. Okay, we have saved it. Okay, from the model Omni Mini. Okay, this is already selected for us. Okay, in the prompt, place the mouse cursor and insert resource. Okay, and click priority. Oh, let's do that. Okay, where we can highlight, and then we are going to click here, insert resource. Case priority. Okay, it's written like this. You can remove this one. Okay, which is and the case type. Okay, this is good. Now comments, case comments. We have to do the same thing. Comments, this, insert resource, case, okay, case comments. This one. Let's remove the comment section, and then we have to do that. Okay, should now deleted this case.case comments. Yes, it is just like this. Select subject, case, subject. Okay, in here we will say okay, subject. Okay, this one. Let's remove this, and then we have to do the same thing for case type. Okay, let's go to case type, this one, and remove the type. save. Okay, so it is written like this. We have already confirmed it. Okay, let's click preview and then click input. Let's input this case number. Preview, select, click preview and activate. Okay, where is the preview? Yeah, this one. Let's enter this record. Select. Okay, preview and English. Activate. No, okay. Okay, now we are previewing. Resolve is categorized as electrical. Okay. It's a bit different, but it's alright. Okay, our prompt is good. Now we have to put it on the page layout so the customer can use it. We have already activated. We can see the generated response. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, balance says verify that you have clicked activate. We already activated. Setup app, return to the sales app. Click cases. Okay, let's go to the sales app. 9 dots here. Let's just wait a bit. Okay, here it is. Sales app. Let's go to sales. Cases. Okay, let's go to cases. Yes, here it is. All closed cases. All open cases. Okay, here it is. Okay, select all open cases. Case 1002. Okay, I think this is the one. Let's select all cases 01002 and edit page. We have to click here. In detail section, select the record detail component. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, here it is, record detail component. Okay, click upgrade now to update it to dynamic forms. Okay, then we have to click next, select case layout, then click finish. Okay, upgrade now, click next, case layout, click finish. Okay, we are waiting. Okay, it's updated now. So let's see, in this click the quick summary field. Let's select this one, the quick summary field. Okay, then click then from the prompt template click quick summary. Okay, here we will just select this template prompt that we have made a prompt from the prompt builder. Click save and then activate. Click assign as of default. Click next. Click save. Okay, click save. Okay, then we have to activate, assign as org default. Okay, click next, save. Okay, it's done. Let's go back. Okay, if you go to the quick summary now, on the right side you can see there is an icon here, edit quick summary field. Click and click on the right of the field. Okay, let's let's click here. mm, then we can work here. With this we can activate the prompt. Oh, okay, this is what is telling us about the case. And then click use cross save. Okay, let's use this. Use, cross it, and save it. Now the information is saved here. Okay, we can still refine our prompt in the prompt builder. That's how you can create this. Everything is done, we just need to verify it. Okay, we are good to go. Thank you, and kindly also give your feedback if there is something you want me to improve on, and also kindly subscribe and follow my channel, and also share this with your friends. Okay, thank you for watching.